Morago ga ngwaga a ikamantse le Action SA, Bongani Baloyi o kgaogane le lekoko. O ne a tshwaile go ka etelela pele lekoko go leba go ditlhophong tsa ngwaga o tlang jaaka moeteledipele wa lekoko mo Gauteng. O tlhalositse mabaka gore goreng a tlogetse lekoko.
I think the big moment for me was in various people who are saying to me, stay and fight, let's democratize the party, let's do this, let's do this. I can't be a person who's going to be part of the destruction of Action SA and create another cope. It is important for young people to start seeing different examples of leaders who thrive, who aren't as patient, who are agitated just like them. Because to change the political system will require young people to do that. Young people who will not sit in the corner and be told, "Wena soksusala, yoshalala, utul," and just be happy with national spokesperson. I am not that generation. I don't represent that generation.
Go le jalo lekoko lone le gatelela gore go sa dumalane ka dilo tse dintsi le tsa botlhokwa ke lone lebaka.
While it is evident that irreconcilable differences exist between Baloyi and Action SA's national leadership, these issues relate to differences arising from the running of the Gauteng province. Various media reports over the weekend are noted for conveying a number of inaccuracies on this matter. At the previous meeting on 6 March 2023, Mashaba made the offer to Baloyi for him to take up the mantle of national spokesperson, a senior national position within Action SA, which is automatically represented on the Senate, Action SA's highest decision-making body. Today, at the meeting of 13 March, Baloyi declined this offer.
Baloyi o ganeditse le magato a gore go sa utlwane ga gagwe le Mashaba ke ka ntlha ya gore a lekoko le tshwanetse go dirisana le ANC kana jang. Mashaba o tlhalositse fa sa ikelela go tsena mo ditherisano le ANC go ka thama puso ya motlhakanelwa. Go le jalo Baloyi a re kwa sephiring Mashaba o ne a setse a dumetse go tsenela ditherisano le lekoko le le busang.
That's how this ANC thing comes. That's how people are lying that my main difference with Ditaba Mashaba is about working with the ANC. It is a lie. He endorsed engaging with them. He gave us support. He was happy that we'd be able to co-govern either in executive only and there in legislature. That was what he consented and supported and gave us the mandate to go and do. So unfortunately, in media, then there's the thinking that it's Bongani, and I'm upset about that. And I've moved from there because I started to see that hey, some things here you must navigate tricky. So when the party leader starts to move left, hey, you must just stay clear.
Baloyi o ikuetse go lekoko go rarabolola makwa a lona a ka fa teng.